What's up guys? First of all, a very happy new year to each and every single one. In this video, let us inaugurate our TechLancer YouTube channel for this year with the top Android series for this month. Hello guys, if it's your first time here, do consider subscribing to our channel and also hit that notification bell icon so you'll never miss any update when a video goes live here. With that being said, let's get started. First app is called as the Second Thought SMS. Have you ever felt bad that you have sent an SMS to a wrong person and thought how good it would be to recall that text message back? Then this app is definitely going to be a savior. This app can be replaced with your default SMS messaging app. These apps let you take control over the text message before sending to a person. When you are sending the text message, this will hold the message for 10 seconds with this buffer. And within that time buffer, if you notice the message that is being sent to a wrong person, then the message can be recalled. In the Pro version, you have the buffer time for 60 seconds. Definitely a savior app and a must try one. The second app is called as the privacy screen. If you are a person who gets annoyed when someone is peeping into your mobile while on travel, then this app will definitely not let you down. This uses an awesome technique to dart the screen apart from the place that you use. This app has a complete manual takeover. You can adjust the screen area which should be visible so that you can dart the remaining portion which is not in use. The transparency of the other parts of the screen can also be adjusted. Definitely a cool and life-saving app for most of you out there. The third application is called as Drawers. If you are a person who is very keen on keeping your mobile screen very organized, then this app is a killer for you. This app gives you an option to keep your applications inside these little cupboards. You can also set up to 5 drawers like these and keep maximum up to 5 apps inside each drawer. By this, you can make your main screen look very clean and neat. By this way, you can keep your favorite apps inside each drawer according to its category. Really a must-have app for most of the Android users. The fourth app is called as the video compression. If your phone storage is very less due to the large video sizes, then this app is a must-have one. Once open the app, it will list out all the videos that is inside your mobile. Select the video which you want to compress. Now you can not only compress, you also have other options like compress, cut and compress, rotate the video, fast forward, or even you can separate the MP3 alone from the video. Let me compress the video here, and this will list out the size and its quality percent when you get the output. By this way, you can choose the best options that will suit you. By this, you can reduce the size of any video that is in any format. The last app is called as Edit Webpage. If you have followed me on my Instagram account, then you would have known about this. This application lets you edit any web page as a temporary one. This will open up with the browser. You can open any website here. You have this edit button at the top. When selected, you can edit anything inside this web page. Also, you can click a screenshot directly. Here I am editing the iPhone 10 price to ₹1400. By this way, you can send this to your friends and amaze them. This change is a temporary one. Once the page is refreshed, the change will go off. Definitely a good app to play with and also to fool your friends. That wraps up this video. Hope you found this video interesting. If so, give this video a huge thumbs up and also share this with your friends. And also try these and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'm Gautam and I'm signing out.